Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am back with you with a very nice simple look, and I've done that because you asked me on Instagram if I can do this. So if you want to see how to achieve these looks, please keep on watching. Hello! This being said, how I already told you, I am starting this makeup tutorial with my face because I have to put on foundation. I already done my brows off camera. So this being said, let's get started. I already moisturized my face using this cream. This is Gerovital cream. So I'm starting by applying a primer, and I am using this primer from The Ordinary. Focusing. Okay, this is a blurring primer because I have some pores on my face, and I'm only using this amount because I do not need so much primer. And I am using this only. I'm using this only on the center of the face. On the center of the face. Sorry. So then I am using the L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hours Matte because this is a very good foundation. I've used this foundation for about a year or a year and a half, and it was my favorite because it's matte. It's a very long wearing foundation. This is a very great foundation. I really like this foundation, and I am applying this on my hand, that much. And then I'm spreading it with a beauty sponge. Next step, concealer, and I am using the Catrice High Coverage Liquid Concealer. This is the concealer, and the color that I use is 005. I am blending it out with the sponge. Okay, next I am setting out all these with the RCMA No color powder. This powder is so inexpensive. I mean, it's about 10 euros, and you are getting 3 ounces. I don't know how much is this in grams, but it's a lot. I mean, I have this powder for about a year or a year and a half, and I have that much. Now I am making sure that I do not have any creases under my eyes. Next, I am taking a fluffier brush. This is the 151, I think, Luxe Face Definer, this brush from Zoeva, to set the rest of my face. Okay, perfection. Then I am taking a very angle brush. This is the Luxe Cheek something brush, this one from Zoeva. It's an angle brush, and I am using the BB bronzer from Physicians Formula. Next we need some blush, and the blush I'm using is from Nyx. Is the Amber, I think Amber it's in English, is the high definition blush. And I will show you how it looks like. And this is up front. I have this blush for about a year, and I really like it. It's very pigmented, so handle it careful. It's perfect. I like it. Okay, and the last step for my face is the highlighter, and I am using the Mary Luminizer from The Balm, and I am using this brush. This is the Leonardo Professional brush number 8. Tapping the excess And now applying this on the high points. Oh my god, this is so blinding. I mean, and I am applying this on the high points of my face. So, I am using the Nudelicious palette from Boys and Berries. This palette is amazing. I mean, it has every nude that you want to see. Every nude. I mean, this is the perfect palette for a person that needs this only to put makeup in a daily basis. I mean, you have all you want. You have even a black, you know, black is not necessary. It's not like I am using black every day, but you have everything. You can do a very nice simple makeup, or you can do a very nice dramatic makeup look. Okay, no more talking, let's go. So the first thing I have to do, or I want to do, is to highlight my brow bone, and I'm using this shade. It's called Bear. This is the shade. Okay, next brush that I am using, it's a blending brush. I will show you in a minute. Is this blending brush. This is the Leonardo brush, very 13 brush. Let me find this is. I like this brush, and I am starting by using the color Undressed. Is this one? Is this warm? Oh, sorry, this cool tone. Dragging out this color just a little bit out because I want to elongate my eyes. Next, I am taking a smaller brush. This is the Zoeva 227 brush, Lock Soft Definer. Is this one? Let me show you. This is the brush. I will mix up this color with this color. Okay. And I am applying this color just here on my outer V and slightly in the crease, but much slower than I applied the first transition shade. Then I am using the same blending brush, and I am blending out all those colors between them. I'm also taking out the first shade that I used, and I am applying it right in here. Then I am taking a smaller brush. This is the Leonardo number 32. It's a way much smaller brush. Next thing I want to do is just to apply a base, and the base I'm using is the Inglot eyeshadow keeper, and I am using a flat brush. This is the 233 cream shader brush from Zoeva, and I am taking this with the brush and I am applying it all over my eyelid. Taking this color that it's called Sultry, and I am applying it all over that spot. Okay, and the last step that I want to do is just to line up my eyes, and I am using the 317 wing liner brush from Zoeva, And I am using the black eyeshadow in the palette just to line up my eyes, but I am not going to do a wing liner, just to line my lash line. And the last step is to use some mascara, and I am using the L'Oreal Paradise Exatic. Okay. And the last step is to use a small brush. Those two brushes. This is a 226 brush, and this is, I don't know, because the name is gone. Those two brushes. This is a pencil brush, this one, and this is a shader brush. And I am using those two shades. I mean the dark shades, this one and this one, just to do my bottom lash line. I'm done, and I have to do my lips. For my lips, I always use a pencil, and this is the Trendy Spirit lip liner pencil in Cafe Latte 03. Okay. And the lipstick that I want to use is this from NYX. This is NYX Lingerie number 11 Baby Doll. Okay, and I am applying this on the center of my lips, just like this. So this is the final look. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy watching this, and I will be with my next clip in about a week. I hope you enjoy it. Before you leave, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that ring bell button. This way you will be notified every time I am posting a new video. And also don't forget to give me a thumbs up on this video if you like it. So with no further ado, I am wishing you a very good day and a lot of kisses. Bye!